badge off of me. I can't use it anymore. It's getting too dark to see. I feel like I'm knocking on heaven's door. 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 Well, Knocking on Heaven's Door by Bob Dylan, what a fantastic tune. And don't despair, guitar players. I will show you a very simple version how to strum this as a beginner, as well as a little bit more advanced strumming method for the intermediate guitar player. And at the very end, I will also show you how to play that intro with a little bit of that picking and a little lead piece there at the very end. Grab your guitar and stay tuned for a breakdown of this great song. My name is Jörg Salterman. Welcome to my channel. Please take a moment to subscribe. Comments and a thumbs up are always appreciated. Thank you. The good news is that this song uses the same chord pattern for both the verse and the chorus section. So we're going to be using a G chord, a D chord, and an A minor chord. Okay, and then the second pattern is the G chord again, a D chord, and then we go to C. Okay, so those are the 4 chords that we're going to use. G, D, A minor, and C. And they alternate every time. For your convenience, I have included a lesson PDF with the lyrics and the chords and some other tips. If you are a beginner, then I suggest the following simple strumming pattern that you can learn the song in, and then later progress to maybe a more advanced strumming pattern. So here we go. Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. Mama, take this badge off of me. So it works, as you can see. With the simple strumming, let me play you that chord pattern. G, D, A minor. G, D, C. And then you repeat that over and over for both the chorus and the verse. For those of you who want to attempt the more advanced pattern, here we go. It's down, 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 up. Okay? The strumming patterns I suggest to you are just simple, a pattern that you can use to learn the song. However, you can take ownership of your strumming and you can add some nuances yourself, okay? Don't have to be so rigid following always the strumming rule, as long as you are in the beat of the song. Let me just show you how you can change up the strumming pattern in between phrases, okay? So here we go. Mama, take this badge off of me. Notice that I did a little bit something different. I added a little bit more dynamic to the tune. So you can incorporate that as well if you wish. For the song breakdown, it's very simple. There is 2 verses and 2 choruses. There is an intro and an outro. The intro is basically playing that normal chord pattern twice and then going the first verse. And then the outro is playing the chord pattern twice again and finish the song. You can add your own dynamics to it, make it your own. and enjoy this simple to learn but very powerful song. Last but not least, let me break down that more advanced intro with the picking. First we start with G, strum it once, and then pick it on the way up. And do the same with D. Play D once, and then do that hammer on the E2. So here we go. And then play A minor. We'll repeat the G and a D again the same way. Then we go to C. And here we put that little major pentatonic lick in. We slide. I have a great lesson actually how you can find these major pentatonic licks in any key. Just check it out right here. But let's go back to this. So strum the chord. We slide to A7, then D5, D7, and then G5, then a pull off, back to G5, and then up to D7, and back to G5. If you feel comfortable playing and singing together, you can certainly play these little pickings while you're singing the verse and singing the chorus. Okay? You don't have to always just rigid strumming. You can incorporate some of that picking as well. Well, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Until next time, I will see you soon. Take care.